Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jacqueline Cabrera, and for today's video I'm going to be filming a clean with me / pack with me for a whole month kind of video. I've never filmed a video like this before, so let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, just like random little vlogs of me doing things. But today I'm going to be cleaning my room and packing for a whole month. I am currently on my winter break and I'm about to head home for the holidays, so I'm really excited about that. But before I head off to go home, I really want to clean my room and I need to pack, so I thought I would bring you guys along and show you guys me cleaning and packing. So with that said, let's get started with this video. Okay, so I just finished cleaning my room. I vacuumed, I washed my sheets, I cleaned my dresser and my desk and my little nightstand. And right now I'm going to start packing, and I have the clothes that I folded up earlier on my bed because I think I'm going to end up taking that home. And then this is just an overview of my bed, my dresser, and my desk area. Right here I did pack up all of my makeup and like beauty items. I have some nail polish in there as well. I know you guys want to see a makeup collection video, so I'll make sure to film that once I come back from the break. I also packed up my pens and pencil in this clear bag. I really love it. And these two bags are from Target. And then right here I have my Christmas gift from my roommate. She was so kind and she gave me some Real Techniques brushes, a gift card to Target, and she also gave me this marble letter J that I really like and goes perfectly with my room. So yeah, that's my desk area. I'm about to finish packing my book bag, and I'm about to take out this luggage and start filling it up with all of my clothing items. Yeah, oh, there we go. Yep. So this is the luggage I plan on taking home and filling up. So let's get started. And these are some of the items I've decided to take back home, and I'm just gonna put them in my suitcase. Okay guys, so I am all packed up, and I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little overview of the items I'm taking. Okay, so this is my luggage. It has like all of the clothes I'm going to need during the break, and then also bringing my umbrella. I'm bringing my plant because I don't want it to die, so I'm taking that. And then in this bag I have a whole bunch of shoes and everyday essentials, so I just have everything in there. And over here I have my book bag, and it's filled like with my laptop and like important like items, so I have that there. And the last thing I packed up are my snacks and such. I still have some almond milk, so I'm taking that home with me. I have some Teddy Grahams. I have a whole bunch of snacks, and yeah, I just have a whole bunch of snacks. And right now I'm actually in our common area, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour before I end this video. And over there we have our Christmas tree, and it is so cute. So we have that for the holidays, and then we also have two little stockings with a silver garland. And on our coffee table we have this little wreath with a candle from Bath and Body Works. It's Marshmallow Fireside. This is my favorite candle ever. We have some coasters that I've bought. And then in our TV stand we have these little Christmas trees. And then we have this little Noel sign, and we also have these other little Christmas trees. And I think that's all the decor we have for Christmas. Oh, and then we have these little snowflakes up here that my roommate put. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little overview of our Christmas decor. It is so cute in here. It's so homey. Okay guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me / pack with me video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.